the first rear fuselage produced by a private company for Tejas Mark 1 Alpha was handed over to Defence PSU Hindustan Aeronautics Limited yesterday. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh was present during this handing over. This is an important development given the fact that India has been working on Atmanirbharta and private industry has a pivotal role to play. When it is about the fighter aircraft Tejas, so we know that how the base variant, in fact the 38 units of the base variant have been delivered to Indian Air Force, but the two contracts for LCA Tejas Mark 1 Alpha are facing significant delays. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is in fact facing a lot of backlash because of this delayed delivery. Last month, during Aero India, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited clarified that they are going to deliver Tejas Mark 1 Alpha from March onwards, and these delayed deliveries are because of the delayed deliveries of engines that they are going to receive from United States. When it is about the private industry, so we know that how Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has given out contracts for several modules of the fighter aircraft to industry players like L&T and several others. When it is about this sort of delivery, so it is somewhere telling us the forward story of the kind of things that one can expect in the defense sector, given that government has given a lot of deadlines and timelines for 100% indigenization in the defense sector. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has been producing Tejas aircraft, and we know that how one contract for 83 Tejas Mark 1 Alpha and the another one for 97 units is pending. From March onwards, they are going to deliver these aircraft, and we have been told that in the next 3.5 years, they are going to complete delivery of 83 Tejas Mark 1 Alpha. As far as private industry is concerned, so in the defense sector, a number of companies have emerged in terms of technology, in terms of equipments, weapons and platforms. They are showcasing the kind of developments that have been made in different areas, and are not just showcasing but are also supplying these equipment to the forces. We have been told that Hindustan Aeronautics Limited will also be delivering these 97 Tejas Mark 1 Alpha aircrafts within next 6 years. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is a defense public sector undertaking that was in fact in news because of all wrong reasons recently. Indian Air Force Chief was recently spotted saying that he doesn't have any sort of confidence in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, though it was a private conversation that was recorded, and in fact it was categorically mentioned that it was recorded without any prior notice or knowledge to the Air Force Chief. This time around, when it is about this rear fuselage of the LCA Mark 1 Alpha, so the production by a private company and also the delivery is somewhere telling us that the coming years are going to be the golden years for India in terms of Atmanirbharta that the country wants to achieve.